What's going on?
This is the stalagmite pool.
Oh,
Let me see.
oh, wow.
So basically, what's dripping is cleaning away the mud, but it's also making those pools. And you know, in a cavern, you've seen huge ones.
You have a wonderful, oh my gosh, you have a good eye.
That is great. Look at all the calcification,
Yeah,
too.
those are all the pools that it's making.
Oh, my God.
This is a
Here, David,
cavern
take a
getting
picture
ready
now that
to
I've got
happen.
this light on it.
Okay.
Well, thank you for pointing that out. That's really
That is really
extraordinary.
cool.
Is this some of it? It's my.
No, that's just concrete water.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing.
I should have been using this as a light all along. I would have got better photos. Hold it over my head as a, you know, as a flashlight.
Alien.
Do my light go off? No, it's still there.
It's just amazing how
That
quickly it
pretty
formed. I mean,
wild.
it's obviously been here as long as the tunnel,
Look
so
how-
100
looks like
years,
a
let's say.
chrysanthemum. It looks like a flower in the middle. It kind of looks like a turtle. I want to touch it.
I know it's right here.
This is all
Who
hard.
dares to lick it?
You can't do it.
It's what?
It'll be hard, but you should.
Why shouldn't I touch it? You saw all the crevices?
No, that was on the other side. That was on the Bob
No,
Baker
it's
side.
hard like stone.
Yeah,
It's like
when
how,
people used
you
to
know,
walk
it's like
in,
that
you
hard
know?
water that you got to get out of the wall of your shower, you know? It's hard, like a stone. It's not soft. Calcified. Yeah, this is a permanent, beautiful thing.